Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add Instagram feed to your 3dcart website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is an Instagram feed. So let's click sign up for free, and now we want to sign with the email, Gmail, Facebook, it's up to you, and then just click sign up. When you will have it, click login. And right here, you're gonna click on applications and just write in search Instagram. And then you're gonna see it here, Instagram feed. Let's create a widget. Now we have option to choose between slider, grid, or hashtag showcase. For example, I like this hashtag showcase. Let's continue with the template. Now here, all you have to do is just write your username. So you take your Instagram account and paste it here, the URL, or just with this. Now, when we have it, you have a layout that you can change and colors and more. And this is pretty much it. And feed title, you can edit that also. Let's click save. Right after you do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, up to 5 million views per month, go with the basic, pro, or enterprise. Now, let's copy the code here. And simply go to our website. Click plus, like spacer or whatever, and just paste the code here. When you're gonna click on the button. And now, oh, we have Amazon still here. Okay, I copied Amazon, I'm sorry. It's my fault. And now it's going to be the Instagram feed. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day everybody, and goodbye.